Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Git installed, SSH key or personal access token configured, and your Git identity set. Once done, open your terminal and navigate to the folder where you want the project. Use git clone with SSH or HTTPS to copy the repository locally, because cloning links your terminal session to the remote source. Make sure to verify the remote with git remote v, so you know where pushes and pulls will go before you begin editing files. You should create a feature branch immediately to avoid disrupting main. Git checkout bfeature/name keeps history clean. After editing, stage specific files with git add and write focused commit messages that explain why, not just what. Once you have commits ready, run git pull rebase to integrate upstream changes. This prevents unnecessary merge commits. If conflicts occur, open the conflicted files, make deliberate fixes, git add the resolved files, and continue the rebase to maintain a tidy history. You push your branch with git push uorigin feature/name so GitHub tracks it, then open a pull request to start code review. When reviewers request changes, respond by adding commits or use git commit amend for small fixes because history clarity matters. If your push is rejected after rebasing, fetch the remote, rebase again, and resolve conflicts, then use git push force with lease to update the remote safely. If something still breaks, reset to a known good commit and communicate clearly in the PR.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.